A solar hot water diverter redirects excess solar energy from your PV system to heat water in your immersion heater. This reduces reliance on grid electricity, lowers energy bills, and maximizes solar energy use. But how does a hot water diverter work? Well, it detects excess solar energy and monitors the electricity generated by your solar panels and identifies when there's a surplus energy not being used in the home. It then redirects energy to heat water, and instead of exporting that excess energy back to the grid, the diverter redirects it to power your immersion heater, efficiently heating water in your hot water tank. This reduces grid reliance by utilizing surplus solar energy to heat water. The diverter minimizes the need to draw electricity from the grid for water heating, lowering your energy cost. This maximizes your solar energy utilization. The hot water diverter ensures more of the solar energy produced is used within your home, increasing self-consumption and overall system efficiency.